Poorvi Chotani, you just heard the caller there. Of course, for his own personal reasons, he does not want to disclose the identity. But this is something that a lot of people are going through. And the problem is not just are they being asked a lot of questions about where they were outside the US, but also at the same time, some of them are being forced to sign Form I-407, which basically wants them to surrender their green cards. How is this even legal?
So no, nobody can force you to sign Form I-407. If you're asked to sign that, you have the right to refuse, and you can ask for two other reliefs instead. You can say, please give me deferred inspection. That will give you more time to collect evidence of your life in America. Or you can ask for a notice to appear before a court, an immigration court, where you can prove that you have not abandoned your green card. But what I want to clarify over here is the law has not changed. The law has always said that if you do not maintain your status in the United States, you could lose it. You've got to maintain your lawful permanent resident status. And that can happen even after 1 month away or 4 months away. So people should have a home, file their tax returns as residents, and all those many other things if they want to continue to live in America, because a green card is given to live permanently in America.
But Purvi Chotani, the problem is a lot of people who face this, they don't have access to any sort of a legal help at that point in time. Now, you are basically saying that the law hasn't changed. It's just the arm twisting tactics by the new regime. But the problem is a lot of people don't realize it. And what's even more sad is that a lot of these people are dependent on their children who work and reside in the US. And when they're asked to go back to India, where would they go? They have no family in India. They have no land. They have no place to stay. It is absolutely illegal.
It is very sad. I agree, it is extremely sad. But the way to handle this is that the children of these parents should travel with them, because if they are traveling with the elderly when they're returning after a long absence, the officers will not be able to bully them. Like the speaker before me said, that they're using the shock and awe treatment, they're actually being bullies, and you don't want to be bullied. So, if possible, please travel with the senior citizens so that they are not bullied. In fact, we had a lot of senior citizens go back after COVID and in recent times, and we insisted that their US citizen children travel with them because that's the prudent way of doing it. It's not a legal requirement, but it's the sensible thing to do.